Hey everyone, just a quick video about restoring plastic trim. I'm going to try out this Cerakote Trim Restoration Kit on the very worn out and color faded plastic trim. This is a body kit that's off my 1994 Toyota Previa minivan. It's got a number of these plastic pieces. This is all the undercladding from about the belt line down. I have a number of these pieces to go over. And supposedly you can restore this trim in just a few minutes by using these wipes that come in this kit and just wiping down the plastic trim with this coating. You do have to wash it thoroughly and dry it. So this got washed this morning just with some Dawn dish soap like they recommend. And it has been drying in the desert heat here for most of the day, so it is bone dry at this point. But I am going to start wiping it down with these wipes and see what we get. You can see that it's pretty oxidized and faded. It was supposed to be kind of a dark gray, and in places it's almost kind of white and certainly quite faded. So I'm going to start wiping it down with these trim packs and we'll see what we get. I will post a second video, a follow-up video, showing essentially the outcome here and what you can expect with this Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Restoration Kit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.